Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an audio spectrum in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to OneMaker.io. Once you are on the website, you'll see various templates for music visualizers, slideshows, podcasts, logos, intros, and outros. We're here for a music visualizer, so click on the music visualizer category. Browse through the templates and select the one you like the most. For this example, I'm choosing the Album Music Visualizer. Click on it to open the editor page. Here, we can start editing the template. Now, edit the template as you like. Once that is done, move on to the advanced settings. Here, you can change the audio file, color, and video size. To change the audio file, click on Upload Audio Tracks. Select your audio file and then open it. Now, let's adjust the colors. For the background color, I'm going with the default. To change the background icon color, click here, select a color from the color palette box, or click the plus icon to add a custom color. I'm choosing white for this example. You can also change your video size. Options include a 16:9 ratio, 1:1 ratio, 5:4 ratio, and 9:16 ratio. I'm going with the 16:9 ratio. Once you're satisfied, click on Save and Make Video. The attributes will now apply to the final video. Our video is ready. To make the video HD, click on Make HD Video. To download the video, click on the Download button. Now, let's move on to Adobe Premiere Pro for further processing. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and click on Create a New Project. Then, import your video. Choose your background file and audio file, then open them. Drag the audio spectrum file into the timeline. Premiere Pro will create a sequence, which is an individual video timeline. Now, drag the background file into the timeline and align it with the audio spectrum tracks. Next, double-click on the audio spectrum file to open it in the Source Monitor. In the Source Monitor, we can prepare clips that you want to add to a sequence. Set in points and out points. Select the audio spectrum layer and go to Effect Controls. In the opacity properties, select the pen tool for masking. Create a mask over the music bar, text, time, and linear elements. Now, go to the Effect window and search for Invert. Select it and apply it to the audio spectrum video track. In the Effect Controls panel, change the blending mode from normal to screen. And that's it. Our audio spectrum is ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.